Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to work with lists. First, let's give our list a name. Let's name it fruits. If we want to make a list, then we have to create square brackets. And in this brackets we must write items. Let's write apple, but then pear, lemon, and banana. And now let's print the fruits list, but never write the P of the prints with big letter. And if you want to print a variable, don't write quotes. Yes, then the list is here: apple, pear, lemon, and banana. Now let's delete this. And now let's find the items in the fruits list. Let's write here fruits and make two square brackets, and let's find the item, the second item in the fruits list. Press Ctrl B to print it. You may ask, why did it not print pear, but it printed the third item in the list, lemon? Because in list numbers start from 0, so the first item is 0, the second is first, and the third item is second, 2. That may not make a lot of sense for humans, but it does for computers. Now let's find the items from the second item to the fourth item. Make two parentheses first, then write the list's name for fruits. Then make two square brackets. Inside the brackets write 2 and 4. Actually you can write anything you want, but let's write 2 and 4. It will not print the second item because it only will print 3 and 4. If we write 1 and 4, it will print the second item, the third, and the last, 4. Now let's print it. Press Ctrl B. You see, I said it will print the third and the fourth item, and it printed the third item, lemon, and the fourth item, banana. And now let's add some more items to the fruits list. Right here the list name fruits, press dot, then write if you want to add an item, write append, then make two parentheses, then two single quotes, and then write what item you want to add to the list. Write its name. Let's write watermelon. We are making a fruits list, and then write print fruits. Let's see the list now. Press Ctrl D. You see, the item watermelon has been added to the list, fruits list. Now let's add 3 more items to the list. Press Ctrl B. Firstly, we must write print. Now press Ctrl B. And now there's 4 items in the fruits list. Now let's delete items from the list. Write the list's name, then make 2 square brackets, then write the number of the item in the list that you are going to delete. We are going to delete the item pair. It is the second item of the list for us, but it is the first number of the list for computer, so we are going to write 1. Then we will write print, make 2 parentheses, then write the name of the list, then press Ctrl B. The pair item has been deleted from the list. Now let's delete these. And now I'm going to show you another thing. Let's make another list. Let's name this list list 1. Let's add items to the list. Actually, we are going to add numbers. Now we will make another list. Let's name it list 2. Let's give numbers to this string 2. Let's give 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Now we'll write print, make 2 parentheses, and write list 1 plus list 2, and these two lists will combine. The result shows here. You can also get the same result without writing print. Right here, list 3 equals list 1 plus list 2. Press Ctrl B. Firstly, write print parentheses, then list 3. Now press Ctrl B. You get it? We combined list 1 and list 2, and it made list 3. Now I'm going to show you how to get errors with lists. Firstly, you cannot divide lists. If you do that, you will get an error. Second, you cannot subtract lists. If you do that, you will get an error again. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Press the like button, and goodbye.